本次4月18日舉行的大多倫多男子匹克球比賽，是獅子俱樂部定期主辦的 DUPR 官方授權等級分賽事之一。活動吸引了來自不同族裔餘地歐的40多位男生參與。為了讓不同水平的選手都能享受比賽，本次根據 DUPR 分為5個組別，共進行了70場比賽。賽場上充滿了激情、歡笑與友誼。選手們在比賽間隙享用飲料、香蕉魚牛角包等，同時互相合影，交換聯繫方式。現場氣氛輕鬆愉快。比賽的另一道亮離風景線，是苦多參賽聚運的家族也積極參與，擔任攝影、錄像與啦啦隊，為選手們加油助威。獅子俱樂部的義工團隊在本次活動中同樣表現專業、認真、負責，確保賽事順利進行。值得一提的是，本次比賽也獲得麥錦士以運 Reed McAlpine 的支持，並被收錄在他面向市民發布的每月電子簡報 newsletter 中，進一步提升了活動的社歐影響力。加入獅子俱樂部，共建匹克球社歐。
The Greater Toronto Area Men's Pickleball Tournament held on April 18th was one of the regularly hosted DUPR rating events organized by the Lions Club. The tournament attracted over 40 male players from diverse backgrounds and regions. To ensure players of all levels could enjoy fair and competitive matches, participants were divided into 5 DUPR-based divisions, with a total of 70 matches played throughout the event. The courts were filled with energy, excitement, and sportsmanship. During breaks, players enjoyed drinks, bananas, croissants, took photos together, and exchanged contacts, creating a warm and friendly atmosphere. Another highlight of the day was the enthusiastic support from many players' families, who helped with photography, video recording, and cheering from the sidelines. The Lions Club volunteer team once again demonstrated professionalism, dedication, and teamwork, ensuring the event ran smoothly from start to finish. It is also worth noting that this tournament received support from Markham City Councillor Reed McAlpine and was featured in his monthly community newsletter, further expanding the event's visibility and community impact. Join the Lions Club and build pickleball community